Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Flow. I'm Ava.
And I'm Noah. Today, we will help you speak English clearly with 80 easy sentences for beginners to intermediate learners.
Yes, and these sentences are very simple. You can use them in your daily life.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need to start speaking.
Let's begin with greetings. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, let's use them in a conversation. Hello, Noah. How are you today?
Hi, Ava. I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good. This is how real conversations start.
Now, let's move to daily routine sentences.
Repeat after me. I wake up early.
I drink water.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I come back home.
Now, let's use these in a real-life example.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after that?
I drink water and eat breakfast.
That's great.
Then I go to work.
Perfect. This is simple and natural English.
Now, let's learn some vocabulary.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Breakfast means your first meal of the day.
Work means your job.
Home means the place where you live.
Now let's do question and answer practice. Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
Where do you go in the morning?
I go to work.
Very good.
Now, let's do shadowing practice. Speak with us.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I come back home.
I come back home.
Great job. Now let's build confidence. I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I am learning every day.
I am learning every day.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
You are doing amazing.
In the next part, we will learn more useful sentences for daily life and conversations.
Welcome back, everyone. You are doing great so far.
Yes, keep going. Now we will learn more daily life and conversation sentences.
Let's start with simple feelings and states. Repeat after me. I am busy.
I am free.
I am tired.
I am happy.
I feel good.
Now let's use them in a real conversation.
Hi, Noah. Are you busy right now?
Yes, I am busy at the moment.
Okay. Are you free later?
Yes, I am free in the evening.
That's great.
This is how you speak in real life.
Now let's learn some preference sentences. Repeat after me. I like coffee.
I don't like tea.
I enjoy music.
I watch TV at night.
I use my phone a lot.
Let's practice with questions.
What do you like?
I like coffee.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV every night.
What do you enjoy?
I enjoy music.
Very nice.
Now let's learn some vocabulary.
Busy means you have work.
Free means you have time.
Tired means you need rest.
Enjoy means you like something.
Now question and answer practice. Are you tired?
Yes, I am a little tired.
Are you free today?
Yes, I am free today.
What do you enjoy?
I enjoy listening to music.
Excellent.
Now shadowing practice. Speak with us clearly.
I am busy.
I am busy.
I am free.
I am free.
I enjoy music.
I enjoy music.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Great job.
Now let's move to simple social sentences.
Repeat after me. Let's go out.
Let's go eat something.
Let's talk.
See you soon.
Take care.
Now a short conversation.
Do you want to go out?
Yes, let's go out.
Let's eat something.
That sounds good.
Okay, see you soon.
Take care.
Very natural and simple.
Now let's build more confidence.
I can speak clearly.
I can speak clearly.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
I can talk with people easily.
I can talk with people easily.
I feel confident now.
I feel confident now.
Keep repeating these sentences daily.
Practice makes you better.
In the next part, we will review everything and give you strong confidence practice.
Stay with us. You are improving step by step.
Welcome back, everyone. This is the final part, and you are doing amazing.
Yes, you have learned many sentences. Now it's time to review and build strong confidence.
Let's start with quick revision. Repeat after me. I wake up early.
I go to work.
I am busy.
I like coffee.
Let's go out.
Very good. These are simple but powerful sentences.
Now let's make a short, real-life conversation. Hi, Noah. Are you busy today?
Yes, I am a little busy, but I am free in the evening.
That's great. Let's go out in the evening.
Sounds good. I like that idea.
Perfect. See you later.
See you soon.
This is how you speak naturally in daily life.
Now let's do final shadowing practice. Speak with confidence.
I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I enjoy speaking English.
I enjoy speaking English.
I feel confident now.
I feel confident now.
Excellent work.
Now let's say some powerful confidence sentences together.
I can speak English clearly.
I can speak English clearly.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I will never give up.
I will never give up.
Always remember this.
You don't need perfect English.
You just need practice.
Speak every day, even if it is simple.
Speak at home. Speak with friends. Speak alone.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Before we end, let's do one final repetition. I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I am confident.
I am confident.
I am getting better every day.
I am getting better every day.
Amazing. You did it.
We are proud of you.
Thank you for learning with Easy English Flow.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Take care and keep your English flowing.
Goodbye, everyone.